Government of Pakistan 2009, USAID and UNESCO 2009. This is quite impressive development. The literature is consistent in emphasizing the correlation between the steady declination in the status of teaching profession, particular poor quality of initial and in-service training imparted to teachers and poor students' learning outcomes recorded over years in Pakistan. Government of Pakistan 2004, B 2002, PTEP 2004. The perception is widely shared that in-service and pre-service teacher education programs offered at most of the public sector pre-service teacher education programs offered at the most public sector institutions are of substandard in that they are rigid textbook and examination based. The, nomin- the no, dominated pedagogy used in these programs is characterized by chalk and talk, memorization or lecture. Alani 2005, Ruff, Malik and Farouk 1991, Warwick and Rammers 1991, World Population Foundation 2009. The motivation for teacher to undertake pre-service and in-service courses mainly has been earning a certificate, degree or diploma because of the benefits attached to it in terms of increase in salary and prospect of promotion to upper salary scale. As a matter of fact, the strong linkage of teacher education with schools education has not been realized. Through the history stretched over 6 decades, there is no evidence of serious effort by any government to address some of the critical questions concerning the relevance of teacher education to improvement in the quality of education in schools. At very fundamental level, the necessary link between teacher education and school education is missing. Teacher education has been treated as mundane activity within the education system instead of using it as a means to improving quality of students learning in the schools. The kind of teaching and learning practice prevalent in the vast majority of public schools classroom in Pakistan is a manifestation of the huge gap between teacher education and school education system. क्या गैप पता लगा आपको? मेजर गैप ये है कि जो भी डिग्रीज डिप्लोमा वगैरह लिया जाता है उससे जब आपका रिवार्ड आपको पता है कि आपका सैलरी का बेसिक जो स्केल है वो अपग्रेड हो रहा है, तो उससे क्या हुआ, जो आपकी क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन थी वो डाउन होगी क्योंकि बेसिक पर्पज जो रह गया वो सिंपल सैलरी या रेम्यूनरेशन या उससे बेनिफिट उठाना रह गया, डिग्री उठाना रह गया, लेकिन जो कुछ उसे सीख के इम्प्लीमेंट करना था लास्ट 6 डिकेड में देखा गया उतनी इंप्रूवमेंट नहीं आई क्वालिटी ऑफ टीचर एजुकेशन में. Private sector and teacher education. There is a growing emphasis on the participation of private sector. Government of Pakistan 2009, 2006A, 2004A, 2002A, Gulzar, Bari and Ijaz 2005. Gulzar, Bari and Ijaz 2005, World Bank 1996. Resultantly, private sector is increasingly becoming a major player in teacher education. The trend, however, is commercialization of teacher education. Only a few institutions in the private sector are recognized for designing and delivering quality pre-service and in-service training programs based on state-of-the-art knowledge of the practice and profession of teaching. These institutions are trying to promote teaching and learning practices in the classroom that are participatory, more interactive, which focus on fostering conceptual understanding, critical thinking, and problem solving skills. Salim 2009, Kazilbash 1998, UNESCO 2006. There has been an obvious lack of effort on the part of government to learn from the work undertaken by the private sector. ये स्लाइड रीडिंग करें आप. The government system can adopt innovative models and approaches to teacher education successfully tested in the private sector. To sum up the above reflections, some of the major problems facing education system in Pakistan owe their origin to the critical deficiencies in the system of teacher education. The factors contributing to deficient teacher education system are complex, multi-layered and intricately interlinked. However, at fundamental level, critical deficiencies in teacher education have their roots in the acute lack of will of political leadership to reform the system, which has resulted in the huge gap between policies and actual implementation of policies. Policies are replete with false promises or lofty claims about improving the system of teacher education. The area identified or targets or goals set for interventions are either too many or unachievable within the limits of given resources and timeline. A closer look at the successive education policies reveals a serious lack of connection between policy recommendations and actual action plan to implement these recommendations. Purpose, structure and curriculum of teacher education. Policy on teacher education, secondary school teacher education, pedagogical studies, improving the quality of education, improving the improving teacher education. Implementation of Policy Action 2009. The government of Pakistan defined many actions for betterment of teachers, but it could not be possible to implement fully as the policy itself defined policy gaps. The implementation gap. The implementation gap, through less well documented, is believed to be more pervasive in that it affects many aspects of governance and the allocation and use of resources. One piece of evidence relates to the amount of development funds allocated to the sector that remains unspent. Estimates range from 20% to 30% of allocated funds remaining unutilized. The underlying causes may lie in the lack of a planning culture, planning capacity, and weakness in the accountability mechanism. Another type of implementation problem surfaces in the corruption that is believed to pervade the system. Anecdotes abound of education allocation systematically diverted to personal use at most levels of the allocation chain. Political influence and favoritism are believed to interfere in the allocation of resources to the districts and schools, in training and posting of teachers and school administrators that are not based on merit, in awarding of textbook contracts, and in the conduct of examinations and assessments. Implementation process. Implementation is conceived as a continuous process of review, implementation, monitoring, feedback, and adjustments as considered and agreed necessary during the course of implementation. The diagram shows the process as continues after the approval of the revised policy. The implementation and feedback will define review. Post policy plans of actions will be prepared by the provinces that will be incorporated in the provisional sector plan. The next step will be implementation. As implementation takes, there might be identification of problems with the policy of the ground. Realities may change. In either case, there will be a need to revisit the policy. Application of the standards, the development and application of national professional standards for beginning teachers, encouragement teachers and subject specialists, education leaders and teacher educator is the priority to qualitatively reform the existing system of teacher preparation in Pakistan. Composition of professional standards, knowledge and understanding, content, dispositions, behavior, attitude and values, performance skills.